What's up, everyone? It's your boy Terry, speaking from the garage shop again. Here to offer you some more big bang for the buck product and info. This is gonna be a good one. You know, it's been a long time since we did a product review on some type of product that you see in the interwebs, on websites, or on Facebook or Instagram. Being it's raining out, I figured today would be a perfect day for a product review. So being that your boy Terry's all about saving you guys money, so let's cruise on over to the table where I have said product. Let's go. Now, no matter what type of social media platform you're on, you can't go cruising the interwebs without seeing some type of product pop up saying that's bigger than life. So every now and then what I like to do is I like to actually get that product and put it to the test to see if it does what it says it's going to do. Because we here at the Garage Shop, we like to do independent testing to get you the best results so you can make a decision for yourself if you want to buy this product or if you think it's junk. Either way, it saves you money and time. So having said that, the product that always jumps up on my page is a plastic welding gun. I was always curious about these things. I never had a reason to get one, but I find myself in a situation where if this thing works, it'd be worth its weight in gold and it'd be a good tool to have in your toolbox. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna try it out. You have your gun, you have your cutting tool, and you have a series of metal staples, I guess you would call them. The kit even comes with a razor. It's pretty cool. So the idea is you take one of these metal pieces, right? And they come in various shapes depending on, you see that right there? Yeah, it comes in various shapes depending on if you're doing corners or if you're doing straight pieces or what have you. And you put the metal piece in the gun like this. All right? And then when you pull the trigger, this will get really hot and it will melt the plastic, pretty much like metal welding. You know, like it fuses metal together. This will fuse plastic together. So now you guys remember the 71 Chevelle? This is the original grill to this car. No matter how many times I fixed this thing, I fixed it several times with epoxy, all types of stuff. And this piece always, I don't know if you can see it. See right there? It's like a crack. You see it right there? You see that? There you go. So there you go. You can see it now. You see that crack right there? No matter how many times I fix this thing, it always cracks. This would be a perfect job to see if this plastic welding tool works. If it doesn't work, we have a backup. So basically, we got nothing to lose. So let's set it up and try to knock it out the park. All right. So the first thing, get the grill up here. Now see, this is the broken piece right here. It's upside down. You see it separate right there? And like I said, you can even see like where I put epoxy, crazy glue, whatever type of adhesive I had, but it just didn't work. So I want to make sure that this is nice and level on this side so I can feel it. But even still, I got to still do some body work afterwards. So I got my gun. So this straight piece right here, this piece right here, that's for like a straight tear. So this is pretty much straight. So I'm going to use that on the entire repair. When I hit the gun, look at that thing. You see the smoke coming off that thing? Look how cherry it's getting. Woo! So let's try it. So let me just go from the furthest piece right here, make sure that it's nice and where it should be. And let's have at it. All right. Now, maybe all right. I think it's broke. Look at that. It's supposed to light up. I try to do one pass. Look at that. You see that? And no dice. Look, you know what? Let me try changing the metal. Let me try changing the little rod there. Let's put a new one in. See if that makes a difference. Oh, look at that. Well, oh man. You hear it? It's getting electricity. Oh well. I hate to say there you have it, but there you have it. First time out the box. And it crapped out. Unbelievable, you know? So sometimes independent testing goes well, other times, wow. Anyways, I am still gonna, use that old grill, but we'll do a video straightening up this grill and painting it and making it look nice for the 2.0, all right? But I'm looking at the clock on the wall. Sometimes you win some, sometimes you lose some, you know. A lot of our independent testing went very well, but every now and then, anyways, or should I say ceiling around this Chevelle, the 67. Time for me to head on off, and I want to thank you guys for joining me on this, and hope you learned something. And I'll have the description in the bottom, so you know if you want to, you know, buck up, or if you don't, you know. But anyways, as always, I want to thank you guys again joining me. It means the world to me, and I really appreciate the love. Keep it coming. Keep those comments coming. Keep them coming. Hit the likes. Make sure you hit subscribe, and make sure while bang you hit that bell, because that notifies you whenever I put a fresh video out. We're gonna be putting a whole bunch of videos out. And don't forget, we're also new to TikTok, so Coverman66 is now on TikTok under Coverman66. So make sure you join, everything like that. Catch me on all social medias, and I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. But as always, please, as always, be easy, and I'll catch you guys real soon. Take care. You know, I'm not gonna even try to return it. I'm just gonna throw it away. All right? Take care.